In this video tutorial, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to block incoming calls while still allowing text messages on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to the Focus section. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new focus mode. Select Custom and give your focus mode a relevant name, such as No Calls. Under Add People, choose the contacts whose calls you want to silence. Tap Add Apps and ensure that the Messages app is selected to allow messages. Deselect any other apps you want to silence during this focus mode. Tap Done to save your focus mode. By activating this focus mode, calls from your selected contacts will be silenced, but you will still receive their text messages.